What's good with y'all? Back with another video. As y'all can see, this Q50 is disgusting. I haven't washed it since I uploaded that one video. If y'all want to go check it out, I'll probably leave it in the description below. But today, oh dang, I haven't washed it in probably like a month. I'll be all over the place. But today, I'm gonna be reviewing the Ionvac. Where's the part number at? There you go. 1744-1. So, I already took the mats out the car. Leave those over there. And we got the Ionvac right there. And I want to give a shout out to the beautiful Fort Lee in this beautiful location. That building, so beautiful. There's a lot of beautiful buildings on Fort Lee. But back to the video, back to the point of why y'all came here. I've got the long extension on here because this is probably the one that I'll be using, but I probably will use the agitating brush as well. But for now, I'm gonna be using this one. So you've got 3 modes. You've got low power. Y'all can hear. It's not crazy loud. And high power, not crazy loud either. And then you click it the 3rd time and it's all the way off. So I'm gonna go ahead and test it. We're on the low power mode. As y'all can see, I got dust, particle, crumbs, leaves, nature everywhere. And all these little corners and crevices. And I'm gonna be using it on the seat as well. And I give y'all real life, unedited, raw footage. So y'all, if y'all enjoy it, why don't y'all go ahead and, subscribe. Help me out. Help me help you out, Is that how it goes? Help me help you out. Man, I don't know. Let me just go ahead and quit talking and give y'all the test on low power mode first. Now I want to start on the seat. Oh, oops, I pressed it. Oh wait, no. And I'm stupid, y'all. All right, here we go. Ooh. Yeah, it's working. This is low power mode. Now it does have, see that dog hair on there? I don't have a dog, so I can't test that out for y'all. But if I did, I surely would. Because I do wonder, does that work well on the dog hair? Because dog hair is super hard to get out, especially with like a dog like that type of fur. Probably not the best. As y'all can see, they did a pretty good job. Now, the stuff that's still left in it, that's not crumbs, that's just like dust that needs to be wiped out. Now we're gonna go to like the rougher area by this gas pedal up here. And this is still on low power mode. And I'm not even using the agitating brush. So I know that with like the agitating brush, it would do way better. Now I'm gonna crank it up to level 2 by hitting the button. Vacuum them up, the little rocks too. So that's dope. It was a bigger rock. Yeah. This is basically like a detail video, low key. Oops, focusing on the seat, not the vacuuming. So yeah, I'm gonna put on the agitating brush, cause y'all can see a lot of that stuff needs to be agitated to come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. That's how it sounds. Ooh, y'all can see the little dirt in there. I don't know if y'all can put it back in the car. It's probably better lighting for y'all to see in there. Yeah, y'all can see that. Ooh, one use, not bad. I'm not sure. I think you can fill it up the whole distance on the inside. So I'm gonna take this attachment off by showing y'all. We're gonna put this on the seat right here. We're gonna pick up the young handy dandy. Oh man, I'm dropping stuff, but I'm giving y'all raw live footage with one hand. I wonder if you can attach this to the end of this. Oh man, Ionvac, y'all should have made it. Y'all should have made this been able to attach to this, because that would have been super dope. But I mean, you could probably cut this if you really wanted to. Cut the end of this and make it fit. But it's still cool and definitely worth the 25 bucks, rounded up. So we gonna hit which area should we start with? The gas pedal? Go back to the gas pedal? Yeah, I guess we'll go back to the gas pedal. Low power mode. Oh yeah, the agitating is working a lot better. See, it would be better for you to just have like a little art brush that you don't care about to get all of that stuff loose, because it's not fitting in them crevices. But like by the gas pedal, it's getting that up pretty well. So if you were to get like a little $1 toothbrush, pack of them, it would really work. So yeah, this is really just for agitating. I'm not trying to put my kneecap on this ground. But yeah, the agitating side, yeah, that works. Getting all the little stuff agitated and move out the way, that's definitely handy. And if y'all staying this far in the video, I appreciate y'all. Oh man, it's blinking. That means it probably got a little bit left. Well, I'm gonna still use it. Oh, that's live and raw. Look, it's dead. Blinking, it's dead. Well, I did not charge it. I just want y'all to know that I bought this straight from Walmart, straight out the store, no charge. I think it had like a little bit less than 2 of those dots. So I'm guessing that 3 bars would have been full. I really wanted to test it out on the seats, like in the little crevices on the seats. I know that part would work really well. As y'all can see, a bunch of little dust in there. But overall, I definitely recommend you buying this. For sure. This thing is definitely worth it. 25 bucks. As y'all can see before. Just in this area really. And a little bit over here. But this side was with the agitating brush, so it doesn't count as far as fully vacuuming it up. But if I were to use the regular extension, then yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. And if you want to watch the unboxing video, I'm gonna leave that in the description as well. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can see that. I can't really tell. This sun's on the camera, on the screen of the camera. Go back on the inside. Yeah, y'all can see that. But that's all the little particles that's in the filter right now. It's blurry for y'all though. Dang, I wish I could focus on that. But oh well. If y'all enjoyed this video, as I definitely enjoyed this product and I definitely recommend this product, go ahead and, you know, do all that fun stuff. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow the Instagram, man. It'd be much appreciated. Peace.